Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel. Today, we won't be unveiling a new watch, but instead, we will be comparing two of Casio's most affordable diver-style watches. First, we have the green dial military-style Casio MTP-B155C 3EV, priced at $55. Then, we have the more economical blue-dialed Casio MTP-VD01-2E, priced at $22. With a price difference of about $33, we'll delve into the similarities and differences between these two remarkable timepieces. Let's begin with the MTP-B155C and its striking green dial. Let's check the dimensions first. It has a case size of 41.3 millimeters, a lug-to-lug distance of 46.5 millimeters, a thickness of approximately 9.5 millimeters, a lug width of about 20 millimeters, and a weight of about 58 grams. Now, let's discuss the case and strap. The watch features a fully stainless steel case and bezel, which justifies its higher price point. Unfortunately, the bezel is fixed, making it a diver-style watch rather than a true dive watch. It offers a water resistance of 50 meters. The crown is ensigned, protected, but not a screw-in type. The bezel includes an inverted triangle at the top and numbers from 05 to 45 around it. The dial displays numbers from 05 to 60, separated by 4 white lines in 5-minute increments. The hour markers are bar-shaped, with a double bar at the 12 o'clock position. The prominent Casio logo is situated just below the 12 o'clock mark. Above the 6 o'clock mark is the water resistance rating of 50 meters, and at the very bottom is the Japan movement imprint. The green dial has a matte finish with no sunburst effect. The hour and minute hands are sword-shaped with lume, while the second hand is silver and needle-like. There is a small date window at the 3 o'clock position with a white background. The stainless steel caseback is imprinted with the module and model numbers, water resistance rating, and other details. The strap is a standard green nylon strap from Casio, durable and well-made, though it lacks a Casio logo on the buckle. However, there is a stainless steel imprint underneath it. A stainless steel bracelet would complement the case nicely and will be a future project of mine. Now, let's move on to the Casio MTP-VD01-2E. Let's check the dimensions first. It has a case size of 45 millimeters, a lug-to-lug width of 49 millimeters, a thickness of approximately 10.3 millimeters, a lug width of about 22 millimeters, and a weight of approximately 79 grams. This watch is larger and heavier than the MTP-B155C. Both models offer a water resistance of 50 meters. The bezel and case are likely made of brass or alloy with silver ion plating, explaining the lower price. The case is thicker and bulkier. The crown is protected, similar to the MTP-B155C but slightly larger. Unfortunately, like the MTP-B155C, the bezel is fixed. The bezel is numbered from 10 to 60 in 10-minute increments. The hour markers are a combination of circular and bar shapes, with an inverted triangle at the 12 o'clock position. The dial is blue with a sunburst effect, unlike the green dial of the MTP-B155C. The Casio logo is positioned just below the 12 o'clock mark, with the water resistance rating of 50 meters just above the 6 o'clock position. Further down is the Japan movement imprint. A noticeable difference from the other watch is the striking yellow arrowhead-shaped second hand. The hour and minute hands are sword-shaped, bolder and larger than those on the MTP-B155C, with a partially hollow design. The date window is at the 3 o'clock position with a broad white border. The strap is a standard diver-style resin band from Casio, sturdy and long-lasting. However, a stainless steel silver bracelet would match the case perfectly, which will be another future project of mine. The buckle is stainless steel without the Casio logo, but there is a stainless steel imprint on the back. The caseback is stainless steel with necessary imprints such as the module and model number, water resistance rating, Casio logo, and more. First, let's check the lume on the MTP-B155C. The lume is present on the hour and minute hands only, but they are clear and easily visible in the dark. Next, let's check the MTP-VD01. The lume on the VD01 is slightly weaker, similar to the MTP-B155C. I would think that the lume on this watch performs better in a very dark environment. Now, let's put these watches on my 6.5-inch wrist. First, the larger MTP-VD01. It fits reasonably well, although it is slightly bigger on the wrist. Next, the MTP-B155C. The 41.3mm size is more suitable for a smaller wrist, fitting well compared to the MTP-VD01. With all this information, which watch would you choose? The larger MTP-VD01 or the all-stainless steel MTP-B155C? Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. If you found this video useful, please subscribe so you don't miss our next one. Bye for now.